What's up, guys?
Let's
Oh my
go,
gosh.
what's up? Let's go A1, let's not go B, okay? No one go B, let's go A1, okay? Let's go A1.
And sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good, man. Sounds good. Good plan.
Yo, it's pissed around, guys. Don't be a puss. Unless you get one tap, then you're allowed to work. Good job.
Shut up. You're not cool. Please don't like spam. Let's go, B.
Tell me I'm cool, guys.
Let's go.
You are not cool.
Dude, come on, man. Cyberbullying's not cool.
Cyberbully.
I'm flash.
That was easy.
Yo, man, I don't like you memes. They trigger me. I said trigger? Like on a gun? You know? With a meme? I got 6 health.
I have 39.
Shut up. See? You distracted me.
Oh my gosh.
Shut up.
Why do you sound like you're 20 feet away from your mic?
We must move.
Yo, Blue is sending me dick pics. Okay, Mr. Pants. Make some noise, Green.
With you, Billa.
I planted long. In case anyone wants to on you.
Oh my gosh. Alright, I see. Alright, he went down. He's in CT. Oh my god.
Nice try.
Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win.
How about we just hang out in B-tons?
I
Don't push anything. Just hang out.
I died! Ew!
yo.
Smoke. Smoke.
Someone on B.
Yeah, I hear the shots.
Alright. Green. Push him, green. There you go, let's go.
Oh, so you have one to main.
Orange
How
plant,
main are
orange
you?
plant. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Green, will you give me a move, please?
All over here, oopsies.
Why are you saying oops, he's like a little baby?
I don't know.
Is that what you've been saying this whole time?
Yeah, he's been saying oops.
Oh, I never noticed it until now.
Let's go, my brothers.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm like, oh, okay. I heard, ew, ew. Level 5-7, just push.
Poopsies.
Throwing flashbang.
Don't startle. You duck hunting. You're commentating. Mr. Green's gonna push up while he checks doors. He's gonna pull out his pistol so he can check cat. Oh, he's got the dualies. He's gonna rush. He's gonna go for the rush, maybe a flash? No. No flash. He's gonna peek with an op, and he's gonna get shot at. Gonna take a couple of shots and miss. Gonna double scope. Gonna outscope. He's gonna walk away so he can.
I'm throwing smoke.
He's gonna throw smoke so he can kind of see through it, kind of nod, you know the strats. He's gonna peek from the side. He's gonna check cat because for no reason, just to leave green on his own. You're not green, you're blue.
Oh my god.
He's got an
The bomb
auto.
and go.
Green, yellow takes the shot. There's one lower A. Green's not there to protect. He goes CT.
CT. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
And we're in the round with Green getting a kill with the dualies, pardon me. Doing the ballsy move to leave. He decides to mic spam after a long, hard day.
Yeah.
Let's go, my brothers.
So shut up. No one gives a crap about your
Exactly.
YouTube money.
I'm throwing smoke.
Yo, I hear long doors. Got him.
Yo, rotate. Blue.
What
Blue.
the fuck?
Flashbang.
You can't even
Push long by himself. No backup needed. He got flash, but he's gonna keep going. He's got an op. See what he does. Does a quick peck, closes out his pistol, check with his op. Doesn't decide to check pit, but he's gonna check long. Yellow's gonna push up because he realized he didn't have the bomb.
I am planting the bomb. Bomb has been planted.
Oh my god. He's going
doors.
cat. He's going cat, has 4 health. There you go. You could have sneezed on him.
That guy had an op.
Yo, I don't need your memes in here,
I know.
so you can do some memes.
How about no? New reason.
Heaven.
Where are we going?
We're gonna watch as Green pushes down mid. Not sure what he's going for, but he's gonna go straight for the doors rush.
Throwing a flashbang.
He doesn't get creamed immediately, instead he's pulling out some kind of strat? No, he's not. He got one tap.
I'm throwing a flashbang. Smoke.
Blue decides to push cat while he can hear people on CT. Call it out. He's gonna get wrecked by a molly. Yeah. USPS for the win. Yellow accidentally shoots orange because he freaks out.
Planting.
Long and ramp.
Oh my gosh. We were all so crowded on this
He
off
decides to
site.
defuse even though they have plenty of time. Oh no, he doesn't. He decides to get off. CT clinched the match. Yellow has bomb this time. He's gonna commentate himself.
I don't know what's going on anymore.
Yellow decides he's gonna do whatever his team doesn't do.
We will defeat the mercenaries. Get back!
Yellow's gonna push mid. Decides to see one cross and almost gets shot by orange. He's gonna wait for blue to push with him on cat. Gonna wait for blue to push ahead of him even though they all do. Decides to give him 800 millisecond ping. Never mind.
There's one coming. There's two from CT.
CT.
Gonna plant for long.
How did you miss
Go
that?
long, orange. Orange, go long. I planted long. Yellow's gonna follow green everywhere he goes.
Come on, let's go!
Till death do them part.
Smoke!
So he's gonna smoke down mid while he rushes with a Bison. He's gonna do the same strat as he did before. We got one tapped in the head with the USPS. Yellow jumps on cat, following green. Decides not to because he's getting lit up by CT and B. Yellow gets opt on site, A site, with an not opt, autoed. Don't peek A. I'm just saying, don't do it. Please don't. From cat, please do not peek.
I'm throwing smoke! Smoke!
You can hear him, cat.
Counter-terrorists win!
Blue is still sending me dick pics constantly.
You like it? Is it big? Yo,
I
is it
wish it
big?
would stop. I'm gonna claim harassment.
Yo, is it at least good?
Let's go, let's go! Smoke!
Yellow decides he's gonna throw a molly through long doors because he can.
Because he can.
Blue just got kick blue. Kick blue. Kick him. He killed me. I can't play.
Grenade!
He's got an op in CT. And an auto on cat boxes. Rebel decides to check tons with his P250 Myrtos. Gotta say, it's a nice skin in my opinion. He's gonna try to listen, but the commentator's not gonna let him here. Alright, so he's got someone right in front of him. Let's see if he
Oh
can
my
clinch
God.
the match. No, he can't. He gets autoed through
So
the boxes.
stupid.
Here we go with the next round.
Hey, Green, can you yell as loud as you can for me? Hey, Green.
That's not what I said. That's racist. How would you know?
I'm throwing smoke. Throwing fire. Flashback.
I think he only does it when we win, guys.
Planting the bomb.
Or when he dies.
Yeah.
Throwing a decoy.
It's not really a scientific study. As we see, we're gonna see green jump doors, throw something out as bait.
Oh, double kill.
He thinks his voice might be getting out. It's the screams are white.
Oh my gosh.
From our lands.
Green
That's
decides
too
to
good.
rush doors with an op. He decides to full rush, never gonna stop, never gonna die, never gonna let anyone down. He's gonna full rush with op. He decides to follow yellow down cat for no reason.
Grenade. Smoke.
Oh my gosh.
Yellow gets a headshot on someone who was trying to peek him with an auto. There's an op at doors B. I did get a headshot. Check console. You know you're a faggot that
Hey
can't
Green,
check
you're gonna
console.
die. Hey Green, you're gonna die. Me too. He's even saying it like he knows he's gonna die.
Smoke. Grenade.
Obviously gonna clutch the round.
Yeah, let's rotate. Is someone not gonna commentate me? Like, come on, guys.
Yellow, pushing up mid. Going on Xbox, seeing if there's anyone mid. Not anyone mid. Pushing cat. Going on A stairs. Checking A. I don't think there's anything A. I'm not spectating him right now. Sees someone mid. Tries to go for the AK one-head headshot. And dies.
I am planting the bomb.
He's lit 31, guys.
Oh my gosh.
He's clinched the match. Just kidding, that means you won.
Be safe. Let's go, my friends. I'm throwing smoke. Throwing a flashback.
Not if you watch Cat.
Flashback.
Shotgun.
Probably you watch Cat and I'll watch Doors.
That's behind us. Alright, go. Let's go B, go B, go B.
Okay.
That was easy. That was
He's in it. Oh.
yeah, that was easy. Are you fapping on your keyboard, kid? That was easy.
He has an easy one that he's hitting. I don't know what's real and what's not real.
Go, go, go.
Hey, Green, you're gonna die.
You watching Doors, Orange?
Oh my gosh. That's kind of surprising. I didn't know. He didn't make it noticeable to everyone else that he died.
Planting. Bomb has been planted.
He gon' die. It's us, CT.
Throwing a flashback.
Nice. He's not gonna push. They're saving.
He's got an auto.
Why? How does your nose hurt?
Terrorists win.
I know, like, it even shakes my headphones.
Here we go. You have no clue.
But you do have a clue.
Let us go. Smoke.
Don't need.
Two crossed.
How do you rush suicide with a bison and not get killed? He's so lucky, oh my
Because
gosh.
they don't check. They don't ever check. He does that every round.
I know, how?
I'm throwing smoke.
Yellow realizes he has the bomb. Diet Bleach was my favorite.
Diet bleach.
I'm throwing a grenade.
Yo, can we plant, please?
I'm making it here.
You freaking take forever, Ty.
Oh, he's on block.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this guy's gonna lose his voice before this round ends, or this game ends. Alright, how about 2A to be